So I've been having a lot of conversations with real estate professionals and those that have rental property here lately. And here's one thing that I've noticed that a lot are really falling into a trap of, and that's thinking that you can deduct the full amount of the mortgage payment that you make every single month. So here's the thing, the payment that you're making for the mortgage, there's a principal and an interest section to that. Here's what you need to know. The principal amount is not deductible. The interest amount is. So how do you deduct that principal amount that you're paying on a monthly basis? Well, the IRS allows for depreciation. So this depreciation amount is going to be based on the full amount that you paid for the property. So if you bought a property for $250,000, then you're going to be able to deduct that $250,000 over the course of several years. But the interest that you're paying on a monthly basis is deductible when you make those payments. Now, any repairs that are going into this property, getting it prepared for the renters. Now, here's the other thing. You really have to make sure you're able to identify repairs to anything that is going to increase the value of that property. Anything that increases the value is to be depreciated over time as well. But repairs are absolutely deductible when you're making those repairs. So you want to make sure that you have some type of tool or platform in place that allows you to track these expenses on a regular basis. Now, one thing that you can do to accelerate the amount that you're able to depreciate over time is called a cost segregation. So whenever you're doing that cost segregation, this is where you have a professional team come in and look at all of the assets of the property. So we're looking at HVAC and wiring and all of these different things, plumbing, and we're saying, hey, instead of depreciating this over several years, we're going to depreciate it over 7 years or 5 years. And this allows you to take a quicker depreciation rate on those items. Guys, make sure you're connecting with the professional to see exactly what works best for you and your business and what you're trying to do so that you can keep more of your profit in your pocket. I hope that helps you. We'll see you next time.